Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So here to talk about the Pantry Club for Epicure USA. So I have just started that literally today, and our first month will be next month because Epicure USA is launching August 20th, and it's only the 17th today, so we do still have time. But I wanted to show you all sort of what it will look like. So this is the group for the Pantry Club for Canada at the moment. But as you guys can see, it's been going on for a while. So all we pretty much do is we post about what to eat, you know, for lunch, dinner, appetizers, all kinds of things. I post about what's happening. We did do a prize not that long ago. This is our soon-to-be Canadian Epicure catalog. So this actually hasn't been shown yet, just sort of a little surprise. But I just kind of post recipes depending on what products people purchase, because I don't want you guys to purchase products and then not know what to do with them. So it just kind of depends on what everybody purchases that month, because the Pantry Club will be every other month. So for Epicure USA, the Pantry Club, we'll be starting that in September. I can't remember now when the Canadian Epicure Pantry Club was, but it actually runs on the same months anyway, so every other month. As long as you spend a total of $30, that's it. Every other month, you can be inside our amazing Pantry Club. I had posted about how to make some bacon in the steamer, popcorn. I told people when things were starting to sell out quickly, but Epicure USA, we just released the catalog last month, and the full launch, of course, will be on the 20th. So I can't post too much yet because it's all kind of a surprise. So that's why I'm just kind of showing you guys the one for Canada at the moment, so you can see that it's not just a page you're part of and it's not exciting. There's nothing happening. There's lots happening, right, you guys? So it is a great thing to have, and you will just learn how to cook so many like amazing things that you might not have thought about. And it's just nice to be able to talk to other people who want to cook, who want to learn how to eat healthy, cook healthier. And the nice thing too, which I think I did actually post in this Pantry Club for Canada, is in September, perfect timing, Epicure starts their Epic Life Challenge, which I will post that for the USA group shortly. This is obviously the Canadian, so it's kind of small, so you probably can't see that too much. But the Epic Life Challenge is pretty much a 90-day challenge. It does start September 8th. Can I make this larger for you guys? Zoom in. Sorry guys, I'm trying to zoom in here, but it's not really working too well. But it's a 90-day challenge that just pretty much helps you guys and helps everybody to eat healthier and start proper portion sizes, learning how to meal plan. It's just pretty awesome. Usually people sign up for this to lose weight. I would say that that's the biggest draw for people, but I'm actually signing up for this not to lose any weight, but to eat healthier. And it's just so helpful because they send you emails. There's a group to go to online. There is tons of stuff, but this is just something additional to the Pantry Club. But I just thought that I would show you guys that, but more about that later. Let me zoom out. But I'll show you guys the group for the Pantry Club USA. I'm not even sure if you guys can search for it, but I did leave you guys the link for it on the bottom. It's the Pantry Club USA. All you have to do is send me a message. Let me know if you want in, because we will be starting in September, meaning I will need a host, and we don't have one yet. So there will be a new host every other month, and you will get a chance to win 10% of free product credit, depending on how many things we sell, plus at least one half off item. It could be two, and just tons of other things, you guys. It is pretty awesome. In fact, let me see if I can share something else with you guys here. I'm sharing another screen. If you guys go to the Epicure site, and if you click on host, you guys will kind of see what it means to be the host for the month. You won't have to do anything. So at a minimum, for us to be inside the Pantry Club, you will be making minimum class sales of $250. So that's 10%, right? But the more people purchase, so you could talk to your mom, dad, sister, brother, co-workers and say, hey, I'm part of this amazing Pantry Club where I'm actually going to be the hostess this month, meaning I will get free stuff. So would you like to purchase something? Like, you don't have to purchase a ton of things, but you will love anything. Would you like to just have a look at the catalog, purchase something, because everything that you purchase will go towards me earning some more product credit, right? So if you guys just look here, the possibilities, you could win huge. It's pretty awesome. Come on in. We can have as many people. This will be awesome. This will be so exciting. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom, and see you inside the Pantry Club, because we'll be getting started in September. Yay! I will see you all soon.